Hello everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we'll see how to enable or disable live voicemail on your iPhone with iOS 17. First of all, what is live voicemail? So live voicemail is a new feature in iOS 17 that transcribes incoming voicemail messages in real time. This new voicemail feature that transcribes a new voicemail message in real time. This means the next time a call is sent to voicemail, you can view the transcriptions for the other person's message in real time. This will allow you to address important matters immediately even if you decided to not pick up the call initially. Live voicemail processes the voicemail locally on your iPhone and none of your data is sent to or shared with Apple. This helps ensure your privacy while providing accurate transcriptions for incoming messages. Live voicemail is a great way to stay updated with your contacts while you can't attend to their calls at the moment. So here in this full video I will show you how you can enable it on your iPhone. To enable live voicemail on your iPhone, first of all go to Settings app. Now in the Settings app, tap on Phone. Next here scrolling down and tap on live voicemail. In the live voicemail section, tap and enable the toggle for live voicemail at the top. And that's it. Now all future voicemails you receive will be transcribed in real time on your iPhone. And if you want to disable live voicemail on your iPhone, then simply turn toggle off next to live voicemail. So that is how you can enable or disable live voicemail on your iPhone with iOS 17. I hope this video will help you to enable or disable live voicemail on your iPhone. If it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.